Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Awesome India, and today in this video we are going to learn how to make this daisy pendant using Shilpakar clay. So let's get started. But before that, don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to our channel for more such notifications. Materials required are Fevicryl molded clay, Fevicryl acrylic colors. Here I have taken yellow color, orange color and white color. A paper ribbon. It is optional. Instead of this, you can even take a ribbon. Powder. Here I have taken white tone paste powder, but you can take any powder, it's upon you. Fevicol glue and some clay molding tools. I have also taken a small pendant hook. First of all, we need to cut this Fevicryl molded. Inside this, we get two more packets. One is hardener and another is resin base. Now we have to mix it until it becomes white. Sprinkle some powder on your platform. Now combine it well. Once you have mixed it well and it has become marble white, make 5 petals. Now we need to make 5 balls out of it. I have made 5 equal balls. Now I am going to shape them like petal. For shaping it like a petal, you just have to press it and then elongate it. Press it and elongate. Now take another ball and flat it for the center of the flower. Now make details on the center using a sharp object. I am going to make spots on it. My design is ready, and now I am going to stick it in the center by using glue. Once you have done detailing the flower, take a sharp object and just make a hole on the top of the flower petal. Once you have done everything, your flower will look something like this. Now let it dry for at least 2 hours for better results. Once it is dried completely, it's time to paint it using Fevicryl acrylic colors. Once you have done making all the petals, arrange them in the form of a flower and now stick them with glue. Now make details on the flower using tool. As we are going to make a daisy flower pendant, I am going to color the petals in white color. I am going to mix yellow and orange to make a bright yellow color for the center of the flower. Here you can see that I have painted the center of my daisy flower pendant. Now I am going to color the petals using white color. Finally, you can see that I have painted the daisy flower, and now I am going to attach a ring to it so that we can wear it in our chain. Here you can see that I've attached the ring, and now the final step. We just have to attach our paper string to it so that we can wear it. So here is our paper ribbon, and now I'm not going to give you any size for this. You have to choose your own size according to your neck length. And here is our daisy pendant ready. I've also made these beautiful earrings in contrary of this daisy flower. You can also make a bracelet or any other accessories in the pair of this daisy necklace. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.